Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn iPhone into dark and light mode. First, let's go to our settings, scroll down, and let's go to display and brightness. In here, you should immediately the appearance options, which is light and dark. So just simply select either you want, and then you can also set it to automatic by clicking on the toggle button, which means it will go on light mode and switch to dark mode automatically depending on the time of the day. You can then select options right here if you want to customize or you want to set it to sunset to sunrise, which means in the morning you get the light mode and in the evening you would get the dark mode automatically, or you can also set a custom schedule if you want. And once we scroll down, you should be able to see the night shift option, which can also be customized if you want to schedule it to reduce eye strain and help you get a better night's sleep. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.